I'm going to suggest for the Sagittarians for today, remove your attention from all the stories. There are lots of different stories going around. I'm not saying the stories shouldn't be there. I'm not saying they're right, wrong, good, bad, nothing. It's not about the stories. For you right now, you need to remove your attention away from the stories. Bring your attention back inward. Focus on 1 to 2 goals that you love. 1 to 2 visions or dreams or whatever that you want to bring to fruition. Focus on that. Again, only for today. Tomorrow things will be different. Tomorrow you'll focus your energy and attention on something different. For today, remove your attention, as much of it as you possibly can, from all of the stories around you. We need to calm the mental, bring some quiet into the body, some stillness, and focus on 1 to 2 goals or dreams that you love and that you are ready to bring to fruition in your life.